Okay, see here, continuation, that is third situation. Second main, exercise 3.4, second main and the third situation. First two have already done. Now see what the question says. The sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. What is this? Sum is 9. How many digits? Two-digit number is, you know, single digit number, two digit number, three digit number. Understood? Example, 1 to 9 is single digit number. If you write 1 0, how you read? 10. That means this is two digit number. Here the first digit is 1, which is in 10th place. The second digit is 0, which is in unit place. Like that, what is the maximum two digit number? 99. 99 is this is the least two digit number, whereas 99 is the maximum or the maximum two digit number. That means highest. So what is the three digit number? Minimum is 100. Three digits. Maximum. Understood? This is what is the understanding of the question I am giving over here. Two digit number means any number among 10 to 99. Understood? Okay. So what they have said? Two digit number, that is 9. Sum is 9. Example, suppose the number is, you see, 19. Sum of the two digit, this is one digit and this is another digit, 9, 10th place and 9th place. Unit place. Sum means what? 1 plus 9 is 10. This is what is the sum, that means addition. Understood? Using this part of the question, we have to form the first equation. Now, this is the second part of the question. Also, 9 times, I told you, thrice, 4 times, twice, like that. Here they are given 9 times, means 9 into something. 9 times this number. Which number? What the number exists here? This number. 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order. Reversing the order, one more number we are going to get. What is reversing the order means what? Here you see. Suppose 19 is your number, two digit number. So whereas 1 is in 10th place, now here 9 is in unit place. Reverse the digit means what? 10th place and unit place. Write 9 in 10th place. Write 1 in unit place. What the number becomes? 91. 19 becomes 91. This is an understanding of reversing the order. Understood? Reversing the order of the digits. Digits we have replaced it. Find the number there. Understood? So using this second part of the question, we have to form the second equation. Hope the question is clear to you. Right? Let's go for solution. So what is the solution? Solution, you see here, let the 10th digit number, or let 10th place digit x I will take. Means x is in 10th place. Here example I have given as 19, but we don't know what is the number exactly. So I have taken as a variable form, right? So x is in the 10th place. Now unit place. In unit place number, let the unit place digit is equal to y. Understood? Now therefore what the number becomes? Therefore the expanded form of this number, what it becomes? 10x plus y. You see this part, expansion point of view, you have studied in the 5th standard. How? See, for example, this 19 I have taken an example, isn't it? 19 can be written as how? How this can be written in the expanded form? Expanded form is 10 into 1 plus 9, because 1 is in 10th place, so 10. Understood? If it is in 100th place, 109. So 1 is in 100th place, that means 100 into 1 plus here it is in 10th place, 10 into 0, here it is in unit place, 9 into 1, isn't it? This you have learnt already in 5th standard, how to write the number in an expanded form. So the expanded form here, according to this, what is my number here? This is x, because I have taken 10th place as x and unit place as y. Therefore here 10 remains 10 only, and this is x plus this is my y, because I don't know what is the number. So 10 into x is 10x plus y. That is what I have written here. Understood? Expanded form of number. Right. Hope the matter is clear to you. So let's go ahead now. Next, here you see. According to first part of the question, I have to form the first equation. So according to first part of the question, right, what is it? First part of the question is what? Sum of the digit is 9. My digit here is x, plus, because sum, one more digit mine is y, is equal to, this is 9, that means this is 9. So this is my first equation. Now what I do? I'll go for second part of the question. What is second part of the question? According to second part of the question. What is the second part of the question? 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reverse fashion. That means 9 into the number is, what is our number here? 10x plus y. 10x plus y, expanded form, is equal to twice. Twice means what? Twice means 2. Reversing order means what? Here you write y, here you write x. That means into bracket 10y plus x. We have reversed the digit. Y we have written in the 10th place, therefore 10 into y is 10y. X we have written in the unit place, therefore this is x. Now this number is twice, and this is what is the equation. We have to simplify or reduce this equation to general form. How to reduce this? Again, 9 into 10 is what? 90, plus 9 into y is what? 9y, is equal to 2 into 10 is 20y. 2 into x is 2x. Now you have to bring these to that side or these two to this side. Okay, see here. I want wrong over here. X I have not considered. 10x plus y. I was saying that you have to take 10x plus y. While writing, I have not written. Eliminated. X only I have eliminated before I am doing. So this is wrong. So what I have to do here? This is 10. 10x. 9 times. Understood? Same thing you have to write here. So while watching the video, simultaneously two things you have to do. One, you have to watch what I am writing it. At the same time, you must listen what I am saying. The pronouncing, what comes out from my mouth. I was saying in the same way, you have to take this number 10x plus y, but written only 10. Understood? Okay, see here now. 9 into 10 is 90x plus 9y is equal to 20y plus 2x. We have to further reduce this. Further 90x. Let this be here only. Bring these two to left hand side. That is 90x minus this plus 2x will become minus. That means here it is minus 2x plus 9y, and this will become minus 20y, which is equal to 0. Right? 90x minus 2x is 88x. 20y minus 9y is greater number is having minus sign, therefore minus 11y is equal to 0. You can take out 11 common. So this is 11 8s are minus 1s are. That means it is 0. Send this 11 to right hand side. 8x minus y is equal to 0 by 11. Final equation will be what? 8x minus y is equal to 0. This is what is your first equation. Understood? First equation 8x minus y is equal to 0. Now I will go for second one. Second part of the question. This is what is the number twice the number obtained. See here, already this is second, I think so. Yes, right. This is second one. Here is the first already. So both the equations are existing with us. Now we have to find whether the solution exists. That means again find a1 by a2. a1 by a2. So what is a1 by a2? a1 is 1 here, a2 is 8. That means 1 by 8. This is our ratio. So what is b1 by b2? b1 by b2 is equal to, what is b1? 1. What is b2? Minus 1. That means 1 divided by minus 1, answer is minus 1. That means both the ratios are not equal. Not equal means solution exists. So since a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, therefore solution exists. Then what we have to do? We have to go in to solve this and solve here only by elimination method. What is my first equation? Solving the equations. Solving the equations. First equation x plus y is equal to 9. So x plus y is equal to 9. This is first. Second equation, this is 9. 8x minus y is equal to 0. This is 0. Already the terms are same, signs are also different, I mean opposite. So you need not to change in this case because both the condition is fulfilled here only. Terms are same, signs are also opposite. Only thing you have to cancel. Now here 8x plus x is 9x is equal to what? 9 here. So 9 ones are 9 ones are. What is your x value? X value is 1. Understood? What is my x? My x here is 10th place number. Now substitute this x for one of the equation. Find what is y. What is here? I will take this as 8x minus y is equal to 0. Second equation, which is easy. That equation you have to choose. So 8x minus y is equal to 0. What is our x? 1. So 8 into 1 minus y is equal to 0. That means 8 is equal to y. Because y I am transposing it to right hand side. So y means what? Y is a unit place. Now you write here 10th place, unit place. 10th place number is what? 10th place number is x. X is what? 1. That means here 1. Unit place number is what? Y. What is y value? 8. That means 8. Therefore, the number is 18. This is what is your answer. Right? Make the point. I'll go for fourth situation.